Welcome to Berry King Waterproofing, the hardest working waterproofing channel in all of South Africa. As you can see, I'm not in my work gear with my Berry King and Aquapole logos on the side. Should I say now the Dryway logos should be on the right side. So I'm here at a project inside Serengeti. I want to show you guys something quite unique. So generally people have cladding around their house, and they don't generally waterproof behind the cladding before they put the cladding together. So we've got a water repellent that we spray on the cladding, which basically eliminates the water from entering into the cladding. It's basically water off a duck's back. However, the process is quite involved in the sense of we've got to spray it. That's how quick it is, really. I was joking about that it takes forever. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, and let me know if you want your cladding sprayed with a Nano water repellent. It's clear, doesn't change the color of the cladding, and water for duck's back. As you can see, I've already started spraying here. Let's still go do that area. You can see that area is sort of drying out after I've completed the spray. So this is now the application of the Nanotech water repellent that we spray on the cladding. As you can see, I'm going into all the little holes wherever I possibly can, and then from that point we'll leave it to dry. We'll apply a second coat, and then from that point your cladding is now waterproof and no water will go inside.